Dear students, I am going to tell you about the change in price and consumer behavior. Consumer behavior. Change in price and price consumption curve. Consumption curve and the derivation of demand curve from the price consumption curve. But consumer behavior depends on the change in prices. When the price of any commodity change, then consumer like to buy or purchase more of these commodities. But consumers preferences or consumer want to purchase more commodities depends on the type of commodity, and there are two commodities type: normal good and inferior good. Here we discuss only the normal good. When two commodity X and Y both are normal, then we capture the price effect. And what is the price effect? We can define price effect as the change in consumption basket due to change in price. So price effect is shows the change in consumption basket. Means when price change, there become a change in consumer real income. When when price change, consumers real income change. We start from the X and Y commodities, and Px is the price of X commodity and Py is the price of Y commodity. This is the price of X commodity and this is the price of Y commodity. We are started from the normal commodities, and income Y is the income of consumer, and when price of X change, then price of Y and income of consumer remain the same. So this is the diagram which shows the relationship between change in income and change in consumer behavior. Let's start from there. This is the budget line of consumer and this is the equilibrium point of consumer E1. But when the price of X decrease, then budget line shift toward the X, and this is the new budget line, and this is the new equilibrium point of consumer. If again price of X decrease, then again the budget line shift toward the X, and this is the new equilibrium point, and this is Y3. Actually, when price of X decrease, the real income of consumer increase. Due to increase in real income, consumer want to buy more of the commodity of X because X is now more cheaper as compared to its previous price. And when real income of consumer increase, then he can also want to buy both of the commodities X and Y. So we can say that when price of any commodity change, it may be increase or it may be decrease. It change the consumption pattern of consumer, or it change the bundle of goods he can purchase under remaining its budget. Actually, money income remained the same, but real income of consumer changed. Now, if we join all of these points, then we can draw the price consumption curve. And price consumption curve shows the relationship between the change in price and change the consumption basket of the commodities which the consumer want to purchase on these change prices. So we can derive the demand curve from this consumption price consumption curve. Under below this diagram we can draw the consumption pattern of consumer. There we draw the price and there we draw the commodities. Now when consumer is equilibrium on this point, then consumer like to demand the commodity of X1 on the price of P1. When price of P decrease as P1 to P2, we can see consumer demand of X increased from X1 to X1 to X2 toward X2, and when further price of X decreased from P2 to P3, consumer like to increase the demand of X commodity toward the X3. And when we join all of these 3 points, then we draw the demand curve. This demand curve is negative slope. This demand curve is downward slope toward the right, which shows that price have inverse relationship with demand. Increase in price decrease the demand, and decrease in price increase the demand. This is the demand curve which we derived from the price consumption curve, and this price consumption curve is derived when price of X commodity change, and this is the case where the price of X commodity decreased. When price of X commodity decreased, budget line shift toward the X commodities, and this price consumption curve shows the preferences of consumer behavior, or shows the pattern of consumer behavior, which we can see that due to change in price, due to decrease in price of X commodities, consumer want to increase its demands toward the X commodity. But this demand curve, this shape of demand curve depends upon the types of commodities. When commodity is normal, income effect and substitution effect both are positive, and demand curve is negative and downward to right. But if commodity is inferior, then income effect is negative, but it is weaker than substitution effect. So demand curve is negative, downward slope to right, but steeper than demand curve of normal goods. In case of given goods, income effect is negative and stronger than substitution effect. So in case of given good, demand curve is bending like a income consumption curve, because in case of given good, demand law of demand become reverse, means demand curve is positive slope in case of given good, because increase in price shows the increase in demand, and decrease in price shows the decrease in price shows the increase in demand, and increase in price shows the increase in demand. Decrease in means demand and price both goes in the same direction in case of given good. In all of these lectures, in all of these sessions, we cover the consumer behavior under the change in prices, and there we discuss the normal good, and we derive the price consumption curve, and then we derive the demand curve from the price consumption curve. We have seen the definition of price effect, and we have seen the what is the shape of demand curve under the normal commodity, and what is the shape of demand curve under the inferior good, and what is the shape of demand curve under the given goods. In next lecture, I will try to cover the consumer behavior under the Hicksian approach, and where I want to tell you about all the substitution effect, income effect, and price effect. Actually, price effect is the combination of income effect and substitution effect. So in my next lecture, I will teach you about all of these effects in a same session.